In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TTM Squeeze in TradingView Pro. This is a powerful momentum and volatility indicator that a lot of traders like to use to spot potential breakout opportunities. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find it inside TradingView and how to get it onto your chart in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any chart you like, a stock, crypto, forex pair, or futures contract. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and the symbol name. Go ahead and click on indicators. This will open up the main indicators and strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a lot of options and categories. But to keep things simple, move your cursor to the search box at the top. Click once inside that search box so you can start typing. This is where you're going to look for the TTM Squeeze indicator. Now, type term TTM Squeeze into the search box. Give it a second, and TradingView will show you a list of results that match what you typed. Depending on your plan and what's currently available in the public library, you'll usually see a built-in version, community scripts, or both. Look through the results and pick the TTM Squeeze version you're planning to use. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. The moment you click, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should now see a lower panel appear under your price chart with the TTM Squeeze indicator loaded. If it doesn't show up right away, make sure you didn't accidentally hide it. You can check the eye icon on the left side of the chart where your indicators are listed. From there, you can also adjust the settings by clicking on the settings icon next to the indicator's name. This lets you fine-tune colors, inputs, and visual style to match the rest of your chart layout. If you want to use the same setup every time you open TradingView, you can save your layout once TTM Squeeze is added and customized. That way, the indicator will be there automatically whenever you come back. And finally, if you're not already on TradingView Pro and you want access to more features, cleaner layouts, and better alerts to go along with your TTM Squeeze setup, check out the affiliate link in the video description to upgrade your plan.